never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement.
Hey guys, and welcome to the Nash house. So over the weekend, the kids wanted to make a sweet treat, and we thought about doing brownie bites. Let's get in close on you mixing. What are you doing, Dakotah?
I'm mixing chocolate with some butter.
So once you melt the butter with the chocolate, your consistency should appear very smooth, like this one. So now the recipe is calling for 2 large eggs at room temperature.
Well, that's pretty cool.
Okay. Awesome. Alright, so we put 2 large eggs in the mixer, and we've already measured out a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Go ahead and pour that in. So it says to whisk on the electric mixer on medium. I'm going to turn it up a little bit more.
It looks like applesauce.
Until it's well blended. Ooh.
It looks like applesauce.
Let's get a closer look. Don't forget to like this video, guys. Make sure you share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna put, let's turn it this way so you guys can see. Hold on. That's 1 teaspoon. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. To add the melted chocolate. I'm gonna turn it off for this. Got the chocolate mixing with the sugar, vanilla extract, eggs. Doesn't it look delicious, guys? Now, if you love this recipe, this is actually out of a Kid Chef Bakes book. We'll put the information in the description. Ingredients. We have all-purpose flour. How much of that do we have to put in there? 1/4 cup and 2 tablespoons. All right, which we already measured out. And then how much? 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder.
Yeah.
How much salt do we have to add?
1/4 teaspoon of tablespoon.
All right, this is how it looks after it's sifted. Now we're about to add it to our mixture. Put on 6. Okay, that's good. Keep going.
Put it in.
Now, while we're doing this, we're almost done, guys. Make sure that you preheat your oven. The recipe says to 350, so that's what we've done. Make sure your oven is nice and hot while we're getting this ready, and that you line your cupcake pan tray with the muffin liners. That's what we're going to use for these brownie bites, so they don't actually get stuck in our pans. Line each of those up
Now
so you can get
that
ready.
the batter's done, we're going to put it in our muffin holders.
Yay! Ooh, look at that batter. Let's get a close-up on it. Ooh. Oh, that's perfect. You can put a little bit more in there. Yum. You like fudge.
Yeah, it's good.
So the recipe calls for these to be baked for 15 to 20 minutes, and you want to let them cool completely before you eat them. Yeah.
So now I took them out the oven. They were cooling off, and now we're about to try them.
Let's see how it goes. Ooh.
Oh, shoot.
Ooh, let's zoom in. Ooh, Ooh, it's so flaky.
Flaky.
Ooh. Yeah.
It's good.
Is it good?
It's good. It's really good.
Hold it up. Let me see it.
I want to try one.
That's our time for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and welcome to the Nash House.
Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up